Alright, here we can see our sample blog post that we created using Tinker. But we need a proper form in one of the pages where we can go and create a new blog, right? Let's do that. We need to use forms. We can use regular HTML forms, but there's a better way of using forms in Laravel. Let's head over to a browser and search for Laravel Collective. I want to install this package. Copy this line of code and run it from the terminal. Make sure you are inside your application folder. In my case, it's new IT books. Once it is done, we need to add this line to config/app folder under the providers. We also need to add aliases so that we can use them throughout our application. Back to our blog controller, let's create a function called create. Which will return create.blade.php from the blog folder. Let's go ahead and create it. I'm going to copy the layout from index page and paste it. Let's make some changes. It's time to create form, but before we do that, we need to create a new route. Let's go to routes web.php and create a new route. Our URL will be blog/create and the controller method will be create, which we have already created. We have also created the view called create.blade.php inside blog folder. Let's go to the browser and check this out. Beautiful. Let's create a form. Go to Laravel Collective and read the methods provided. It feels a bit complicated at first, but trust me, this is the best way to work with Laravel in terms of forms. Let's just copy paste this time. Back to the browser, let's see the page source. There we have it. Form with the method post, value, etc. Now that we know our form is working, we will continue to create form in the next lesson.